Understanding under-seat storage. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a practical and everyday phrase, under-seat storage. This term might sound straightforward, but it's packed with meaning and is very useful, especially if you're traveling or talking about spaces in vehicles and furniture. So, let's dive in and understand all about under-seat storage. Under-seat storage is a compound noun, which means it's a noun made up of two or more words that function as a single unit. Let's break it down. Under is a preposition that indicates location. It means beneath or below something. Seat refers to a place where someone can sit, like a chair, bench, or seat in a vehicle. Storage is a noun that refers to a space where items can be kept safely when they are not being used. When we put these words together, under-seat storage refers to a storage compartment located beneath a seat. Under-seat storage can be found in various contexts, each serving a unique purpose. Here are some common places where you might encounter it. In vehicles. Many cars, buses, trains, and airplanes have under-seat storage areas where passengers can store personal items like bags, shoes, or emergency equipment. In furniture. Some chairs, especially those in public places or designed for home office use, come with storage space underneath for convenience and space saving. In public transportation, trains and buses often utilize under-seat areas to maximize passenger space and provide extra room for luggage. Under-seat storage is not just about saving space, it's also about convenience, organization, and safety. Here's why it's important. Maximizes space, especially in small areas or vehicles. Using the space under seats for storage can make a significant difference in how roomy and comfortable the area feels. Keeps items secure. Items stored under the seat are less likely to move around during travel, making them safer and more secure. Improves organization. Having a designated storage area helps keep spaces tidy and items easily accessible. We hope this explanation helps you understand the concept and practical uses of under-seat storage. It's a simple term, but it represents a smart and efficient way to manage space in everyday life, especially in scenarios where space is at a premium. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful insights into the English language. Happy learning!